guys, welcome to Horror Stuff. Today I have a lot of t-shirts to show you because I have been buying t-shirts like a maniac lately. I can't just stop buying t-shirts because they release so cool t-shirts every week or so. So I am really addicted to buying these. So I have a couple to show you today. So the first one is from Fright rags. So let's open it up and see what we have here. Oh yeah, so let's see what design this is. Okay, this is from They Live. Really awesome design. They released a couple of new ones now on frightrags.com, and I loved this design the best of them. The alien head from They Live, I really dig it. Awesome t-shirt, and the colors are really vibrant. I love it. And you can see in his forehead it says They Live. Really cool t-shirt. Love this one. Okay, so I have 4 t-shirts from, sorry about that, from Terror Threads. I've been buying a lot of t-shirts from Terror Threads lately because I love their designs, and they're releasing t-shirts weekly almost. So, my bank account is sad to say, but I have to buy them every week. So let's see what we have here. I have no idea which ones these are. It's going to be a surprise for me too. Oh yeah, I know which this one is. As always with Terror Threads t-shirts, you get 1 sticker like that, and you also get this card that says Terror Threads. Really cool picture. Skeleton with chainsaw, you can't go wrong there. And on the back you have I don't know, a witch and a couple of monsters, and the Terror Threads logo. Yeah. Let's see this t-shirt here. Oh yeah. So this is Camp Blood Brothers from Friday the 13th. So it's 5 Jason masks combined into 1 mask. Really cool design. I love it, but they have the mask, and they have all in white and gray, and the red blood stains all around. You can see the hay fork on the top, and machete down below, and the red eye. Jason. Really cool design. This was a limited edition t-shirt also, so really glad I snagged that one. So let's see the second Turflets t-shirt. Card and the sticker. So this is a Halloween t-shirt. And this is, I think it's called The Shape on their website. With Michael Myers on the stairs and the pumpkin down below. And the Halloween logo in orange. Yeah, really cool. I think it's really nice in grayscale and with orange on the Halloween logo. So that's the Halloween shirt. Fright Turflets. It would be really nice if they shipped different cards or different designs, because I have a lot of these now. I have to throw them away because I can't save that many of the same card and a lot of the same stickers too. There are some stickers on awesome cards, but it gets a little boring when you get the same stuff every time. So yeah, this is also a limited edition t-shirt, and this is awesome. And if you're an It fan like I am, you're gonna love this t-shirt. This is the Killing Twins t-shirt. So you have the new Pennywise from 2017, and you have the old Pennywise from 1990. Really cool design. We don't want to face these two guys in the dark alley. Awesome t-shirt. And the last one for today, at least. Let's see here. This can be. I ordered another Halloween t-shirt also. And I don't know what they call this one, but it's a Halloween t-shirt. So I think you have seen this one if you have been on their website. This is the Halloween pumpkin in the middle, Michael Myers, and what's her name again? That's so stupid. I can't remember her name. Anyway, Jamie Lee Curtis. Yeah, you have her on the other side. And yeah, awesome design. And you can't really see the colors, but the orange and the white are really popping up in this one. Really cool design, and the colors are cool. And yeah, if you like Halloween, I highly suggest to buy this t-shirt. So that's all I have for you today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like it, and yeah, have a good one.